guys, just making myself some breakfast and some porridge from oatmeal with nuts and honey and apple and cinnamon, trying to kind of keep on my healthy path. My body hasn't been cooperating. I don't think it likes big changes. So I've been quite fatigued, so I haven't been uploading videos as I wish I could, but I'm not giving up. I'm hanging in there, and I know it's going to change pretty soon. So it takes some time for the body to kind of get used to the new hang of things. I don't know how many times I have tried to film this winter decor house tour. I'm not exaggerating when I'm saying I've probably tried to do this 10 times. And before I can get the camera out, the house looks a mess again. So today, now it's tidy. I'll just have some breakfast and then I'm going to run through the house like a hurricane to clean, and then hopefully it's still daylight and I can show you what I have done with my house for winter. I thought I would do the tour to music, and I'll show you the difference between Christmas decor and winter decor. Some of you, as I said last year, may call my winter decor Christmas decor, but I'm sticking to my guns and my story and calling it winter decor. What I've done is that I have tried to I have switched color palette. So from my rich red, dark red and golds, it's now much lighter, brighter and minimalistic. I'm at the point where I don't hate my house. I'm sorry guys. But you know, when I'm kind of tired of my house, we are planning some big projects, so I know that everything is going to change, but it's taking so much time. So I know that I could have done a lot more and tidied a lot more, but we use the house, and yeah, as I said, we are both kind of in a waiting mode for the projects to come. My husband is working so hard to get a big crafting room ready that will kind of ease the pressure of this house, because we have so much stuff here, and it will make it much easier for me to do videos. So yeah, enough babbling and chit-chatting. I'll just finish my breakfast and start to clean.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know, if will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. even if the sky is falling down.
Okay guys, I'm all done cleaning and I almost made it. It's 4:15, so daylight is going. The house may look a bit yellow because of the lighting, but I don't dare wait until tomorrow because the house will not be clean and tidy then. As I said, this is not my best work, and it's a blend of my everyday decor, all the clutter and things we use on a daily basis, and my winter decor. But I hope you can get some inspiration and some ideas. Thank you so much for watching. If you are new, I hope you will hit the notification bell and click all, and subscribe, share and click the thumbs up if you like the video or if you want to help my channel. And I hope I'll see you again soon. Bye!
There's butterflies in my palms and in my eyes, and echoes from the other night gossip about our delight. What if we would join our forces? What a bliss. You make me understand this place in a whole different way. You make me wanna live this life to the fullest, to the fullest. I will read you love poems, hope that you get convinced. Then I'll play something really slow and ask you to dance with me, even stay with me. You make me understand this place in a whole different way. You make me wanna live this life to the fullest, to the fullest. You make me understand this place in a whole different way. You make me wanna live this life to the fullest, to the fullest.
Do you recall when we were young, running from all things at once, without thinking twice? And I knew it would catch up, and that we would be the ones left behind. The stories I've been told, they never seem to leave my mind. On this road that I am on, I gotta stay here for some time. Time is gone and I grew up. I somehow made it through without losing sight. And I still wonder where you are, and if you found a way out from the dark. The stories I've been told, they never seem to leave my mind. On this road that I am on, I gotta stay here for some time. Bruises, they come and they go, and we have to try and keep up, 'cause this life's so much more. Come seek me out. Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know, if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down.